right. Reminds me of 19 fucking I don't know what. 74.
85.
You remember little Buick Opals? A little Opal, a little green. They were just little things, 2-seaters kind of. An Opal they were called. Buick made them. Just a little fucking piss spot like a Miata or something. Well, I want to drive it too. Uh-oh. Doesn't take the bumps too well, does it, Danny?
It doesn't like bumps.
Why not? Shocks? Needs shocks?
Oh, the shocks are very stiff.
Oh yeah. Good on the track or what?
Yeah.
Good for the track?
But it shifts very solid.
Oh yeah. So, where's my fucking 5-point harness? Hairpin! Hairpins! Alright, the chicks will love us in this, hey Daddy? Hey?
Yeah.
It's the fucking racing boys from the top of the hill. Oh, look at that little green fucking Triumph ER fucking 4. Brakes work, right?
We'll see.
Okay. We can always just gear down.
Don't need brakes. You're down. Yeah.
The thing I liked about them fucking, well, I guess it's these automatics are just as good now. Turbos!
Sounds pretty neat.
Ooh.
That sounds neat.
Like that, don't you?
Yeah.
Where's that neighbor? I should see if they've got any
That
fucking...
sounds incredible.
I should see if they've got any shit houses for
I've
rent.
never had this thing actually working and driving before, so.
I should see if they got any fucking shit houses for rent in that little trade park. They'd be just right up my alley. Peppy little machine, eh?
Yeah, she's peppy. That's low RPM.
Huh.
Wow. That's neat. You can just do that 50 to 100 all day long.
Yeah, you better get this on the track where you can really play with it, eh?
Yeah,
It would go fast.
it's neat.
Or, you know, on a track like the Bonneville speed flats that you can just pin her right out and see what it would do in, you know, a couple of 3 miles. Fuck, you're trying to put the pistons through the hood. It's like corn growing. Sounds nice, eh?
Yeah.
Anybody behind us? No. Come on.
Burn a little bit of oil.
Yeah. Kind of smells like it, don't it? Professional DJ services.
Big time.
So this car works pretty good then, really. You can drive it every day. Huh.
That's just the normally driving there.
Just a little bit rough on the shocks, that's all.
A little rough on the suspension.
Right.
Smoking a little bit because I haven't had the turbo ever this hot before, so.
All right, well,
Yeah.
as long as it keeps going until you get home, we're laughing.
Oh, sure, it's doing good actually.
Oh, yeah, that's handy looking little thing, eh?
Running great.
There.
Can't complain.
Pump.
Just
Why is it on the turbo?
Well, it's been sitting for who knows how
I
long
see.
on whatever shelf and was off of
yeah.
diesel and was caked in oil, so now the exhaust housing's all hot, so it's burning off.
What kind of year are we in now? First?
Second. Yeah, we got 410 years. That's a little heavy.
Yes. Third, fourth, eh? 4 gears?
Yeah.
Does this lead into town?
No.
Oh. Thought we could go burn the fucking strip up. But we still could go downtown, can't we? We got license plates now.
Go down to the store quick.
Yeah, because, you know, I did win 19 bucks on my fucking lottery, remember?
There you go.
Yeah. That's a sign that I'm going to win more. Now this is a hairpin. Hairpin! Yeah, she's a nice sounding little car, alright.
Well, she's fun. She's fun as you can tell.
Capris, when they first came out, they were pretty cool too. Little Capris, Ford made Capri, I believe. It was a road hugger. Remember going up to fucking Kelsey Bay all the time in one. They're kind of cars like this, eh?
Yeah.
Capri. Little Capri.
It's like 700 pounds heavier.
Oh, maybe.
No turbo.
Well, not at that time, but they're still pretty cool little machines.
You're a Mustang.
Yeah. 5.5 liter motor or something. What's happening? The boys are in town. Right. Now we're laughing, eh? Trade you this for a fucking sailboat, you know. Studio's not open. That weird girl's not in. Short place first. The boys in the red sports car. It'll start when we leave, eh?
We'll see.
Otherwise, we're leaving it.
Make sure it started.
Everybody's noticing it, Danny. Old people, young people, fat people, skinny people. Oh. All right. We nailed her, buddy. Want me to flag for you?
Oh, it's good I can see in this thing.
slips today, boys.
Let's go, buddy. Little MG.
Fucking ice cream corner. To have you in my lap, but not that way. A good time to turn in front of us, pal. Holy fuck! You're not driving like Mummy now. Makes so much noise when them fucking turbos kick in, eh? What are they, sucking air when they do that, or what's the story?
Blowing air.
Oh, they're blowing air. That's a pretty nice looking little one. Little four banger in it. Smaller than my motorcycle, probably. Nice sounding little rig. Carmen like to go for rides in it? I think she would. She likes NASCAR, doesn't she? She likes the guys that drive the NASCARs. Yeah. That's what. We're back. Nice. Snappy. What was that button? Turbo? Is that a turbo button?
No, it's fuel pump.
Oh, got electric fuel pump.
Yeah.
What's that other button for?
That's ignition, fan,
Oh,
oil,
yeah.
oil pump. From the
Oh,
turbo
yeah.
Back to the engine.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out now.
All right.
Holy fuck, look at the smoke.
Yeah. All the turbos.
Just the smoke.